Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a paper butterfly, which is very simple, and I think all of you can try this at home, right from a school going kid to an elderly person. Let's see what you all need to make this paper butterfly. The first thing is a chart paper. A chart paper of any color will work. I have taken a light green colored chart paper, and as you can see it is cut in the form of a square. So this shape which I have taken is of approximately 10 centimeter square. So you can take of any dimension. If you want a bigger butterfly, you can take a square which is of bigger size. So this is approximately of 10 centimeter. So the second thing which you need for this is a scissor, and third thing is a string. So now the string which I am using to make this butterfly is a golden color one, which I already had it. In case if you don't have it, you can even use a normal simple thread, I think, which most of you might be having at home. So let's see how to make this paper butterfly. I'll take the chart paper, square shaped, and what you need to do is you have to fold it exactly from the center, so that the folding is exactly at the center and you get two halves like this. So this is the way I have folded it. And next thing is you have to cut it from the center of this fold. So once you cut it like this, what you get is you get two halves like this of that square. Okay, so now we'll take the first half of the square, and what we'll do is we have to fold it this way. So I gave a fold like this, the first one this way, then a second fold in this way, like this, then again I fold it. So the fold which you make, the length of this the fold that you make, it's not really fixed. You can adjust it in your way, but see that it is not too broad also. This folding is not too broad and not too thin also. Then you fold it again this way. So in this way you fold the entire this piece. So I gave another fold again. So this is very simple and very easy to make and hardly take 5 minutes. So the first half of that square I have completely folded it, and this is how it looks. So now next step is from the center, I hold it in the center and fold it this way. So you give a nice fold from the center, just press it a little so that it's fixed properly. So this is how it looks. Okay, so we'll keep this portion aside and we'll take the other half which we have kept aside. So this is the other half which I have. So what you need to do is fold it from the center into two halves. Okay, so this is how I folded the second part of that square. Okay, so now what you need to do is you have to cut from these two sides, this way and this way. So I cut this from this side and same from this side. So now your paper looks like this. So the next step is I hold it like this, and this flap I'll fold it. So I gave a folding like this. I think you all can see clearly. I give a fold like this, then again I fold it and again fold it. So it looks like this. I have folded this flap. The same way you will fold this flap also. So we'll take it up, and in the same way you folded this side of the flap, same way you will fold it again here, and a final fold. So once you fold this entire side paper, it looks like this. So you have the second part, and I'll hold it again in the center exactly, and I'll give a nice fold here. So this is how it looks. So you have the two portions of the butterfly ready. This becomes the upper portion and this becomes the lower portion. So you can either use a glue. Even if you don't have a string, you can manage with a glue also. You can use a glue here and stick these two portions together this way, or else you can use this golden string and tie it in the center. So once you tie it, it looks like this. So once you tie both these portions from the center, you can stretch these wings a little bit so that it looks better. So this way you can stretch this way and stretch it like this. So this is how your paper butterfly looks like, and I am sure you all like this, and it's very simple to make, and I think all of you can try, and let's use this time in a very good way, and maybe you can decorate your house with this. So I hope you all like this, and all of you can try this. I have some more. This is another one which I had tried, and I have used a simple thread for this, which is a slightly bigger one. I have taken a bigger square for this. Then I have one more green colored butterfly. Then I have a blue one. So in case if you don't have chart paper at home, because of quarantine, you might not have a paper already at your home. So what you can do is you can even try this from your normal page of a book. So this is which I made using a normal sheet from a book, and this is how I made it. So I think all of you can try this at home and have a good time. Thank you.